So now we will be talking about how AI or artificial intelligence is changing creative industries. So good day everyone. Have you ever thought about a machine creating a painting, writing a song, or designing a logo? That's what artificial intelligence or AI can do. AI is technology that performs tasks we usually think only human can do. And it's quickly changing creative industries like music, art, writing, and design. One big question is ownership. AI learns from huge amounts of existing human work. So when it creates something new, who owns it? The user, the developer, or the original artists? For example, some AI art programs can study thousands of existing artworks and then create a new image in just seconds. This raises ethical concerns about copyright and intellectual property. AI also affects jobs and human creativity. It can produce content faster and cheaper than people. For instance, ChatGPT can write full articles in seconds, while a human writer might take hours. While this efficiency is helpful, it may reduce opportunities for human artists, writers, and designers. Finally, there is authenticity. Human art expresses emotions and experiences, while AI works from patterns in data. A painting or song created by AI may look impressive, but it does not reflect real human emotion or personal story. Lastly, AI is transforming creative industries by making faster and more accessible, but it also brings challenges about ownership and authenticity. Understanding these issues is important as we move forward with technology. Thank you.